Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about Aveeno Baby Daily Care Baby Hair and Body Wash. I'm going to give you a short review and talk about the specification of this product. It gently cleanses dry and sensitive baby skin from top to toe. It is made with colloidal oatmeal and oat essence, and it is suitable for babies. And babies who are prone to eczema can also use it. The product is 300 ml and it is for sensitive skin. Usually baby skins are very sensitive. That is why it says it is for sensitive baby skin. Okay, so let me turn the product. It claims to leave the hair soft, shiny and easy to comb. Its mild formulation can be used daily, so you can use this product on your baby's hair and body every day. It is formulated to minimize the risk of allergies, so babies who are prone to allergies can also use it. It is pediatrician tested and it is free from parabens, soap, alcohol and dyes, which we all look for in a baby product. And as I told you earlier, it is suitable for babies who may be prone to eczema. So we need to apply this product to baby's wet hair and body and rinse thoroughly. And it is only for external use. It is made in Greece and imported from UK. And this product is from Johnson & Johnson brand. And Aveeno product is basically a product of France. You can also check the authenticity of this product with this barcode. And also the shelf life of this product is 12 months. So after opening this product, you can use it for 12 months, which is a very long time. It is 300 ml, so I think it will go along 6 to 7 months. So the lifeline of this product is quite good. This product comes in a pump, so it is very easy to use as well. Now I will show you the texture of this product and how it feels after using. So look, it is transparent in color. It smells great. It has a very soft and very nice smell. It's mild and it feels really soft, very soft. I will add some water now and show you if it's foamy or not. Look how it turned out after using some water. It's soft and foamy, not too foamy, and the smell is coming out. It's very beautiful and mild. I will wash my hand now and tell you how the skin feels. After washing my hand, my skin feels very soft and a little bit bright as well, and not too much of smell is left, and it's a very good thing because baby products shouldn't have very strong fragrances. Okay, I have used this product on my son's hair and body, and the body feels great, and also he smells nice, and the hair feels very shiny and also silky. In the UK, this product is 5.99 pounds, and in Bangladesh it is approximately 950 to 1150 or 1200 maybe, not more than that. It depends on the exchange rate fluctuation. So I would suggest people to try this product on their babies. Aveeno is a very good brand for baby. So I hope you will like it. I liked it. So just try it on. I hope you liked my review. If you like my video, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I will come back to you another day with another product review and video of other products. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.